Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to change start menu location center to left. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, right click on taskbar, click on taskbar setting. Okay, taskbar setting is open. Scroll down, click on taskbar behavior, click on left. You see on screen the start menu is moved to left side. Okay, click on center. You see here start menu is center. Okay, you click on left. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.